guys. Well, I'm back, and I told you I'd bring you back when I did my wreath. Okay, all of this stuff was left from the last time we did it. I'm going to add some more lemons, and I just put the bead that I showed you that I got from my haul from Hobby Lobby. It's really a garden stake, and I just curled the wire up into this grapevine, okay? So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to add back some more of the foliage in here and some more of the hydrangeas. Okay, and I'm just going to glue a tiny little bit so I can pull it off easy, but so it'll stick as well. Okay, let that dry just for a minute. Then we're going to put back, remember we did these that look like a Mackenzie child? I'm going to put that down. That's why I like the grapevines so much, is because you can stick things in them, and a lot of times you don't even have to glue it. I'm going to glue a lemon right here, because these can pull off easy. Just got to hold it there for a minute. And this is really quick. I made a bee skip. For the life of me, I don't know what I did with it, so I might make another one and then put it on this. I don't know what I did with it. Oh, I make myself so mad when I do stuff like that where I can't find it. Okay. I think what I need to do is come over here. Put another lemon. If you glue it light enough, you're going to be able to pull it off. I mean, I'm not gluing this, you know, to have it stay for the duration deliberately, because I know I'm going to be putting other things on here. I want to do the ladybug wreath later, right before we get into fall. Probably August, I would say. And I want to put another one of these. I always lift it up to see what it's going to look like. Man, I made this one really long. I gotta shorten this. I'm twisting it and then twisting it back, but twisting it to where it's not so long. Okay, that'll be better now. Okay, I'm going to stick this really big hydrangea right here by the bee. That helps keep the bee up. And we'll just glue just a little bit right there. Not a big deal. Let that set. And if I do decide to make a skip for this, a bee skip, I'll show you how I do it and we'll attach it to this. Okay. Put this. Right there. Some more of this white. This came from the Dollar Tree. It's called baby's breath. It really doesn't look like baby's breath to me, but I'm going to take one of these off so I can put it over here because this needs it up here. There. Again, I'm looking at it as if how it's going to look when it's up. And burn myself. Oh man, that hurts. Dang. You know, I shouldn't even have fingerprints left as much as I burnt myself. Okay, this needs to be this has a long enough stem. I don't think I'm going to have to glue it in. I just got to get it down in that grapevine better. Okay. Take it down to show you a little bit. And those ribbons are so easy to make. Both of those ribbons are from Hobby Lobby, and I just glued the little Mackenzie Child looking ribbon into the green linen ribbon. Very easy. And just some more lemons. And what I think really makes it is this little garden stake bumblebee at Hobby Lobby. And now all their spring is 50% off, guys. And just the hydrangeas. And here's my bow we've had forever. So I'm going to show you now what it looks like on the mantle. Okay. So I'm going to go in a little bit closer. Okay. It looks really good up on the mantle. And I'm not done yet decorating, but this is the beginning of on the mantle with the hydrangeas. And then I'm putting my little bee skips that Lance got me years ago, putting that down there. So here's what it looks like a little further. Let me move back. Let me know what you think. And like I said, if I do the bee skip, I'll bring you with me. Okay? All right, guys, until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.